I'm Hervé Saudan. I'm the coordinator of the project AHEAD, and I'm a senior project manager at CSEM. The project AHEAD is about 3D printed pipes with functions integrated. Those functions are temperature sensing, heating, and energy harvesting, so that this pipe segment can operate in a standalone way and transmit the information wirelessly to a receptor that is located somewhere else. The consortium is composed of 6 partners. We have Lizzie Aerospace Additive Manufacturing, in charge of additive manufacturing, CSEM, that is in charge of the design of those pipes and the 3D printing of the sensors, eNano Energy, that is developing the energy harvester. And then we have CERN, NTNU, and Thales Alenia Space, that are the use case owners and the testers of the technologies that will be developed in the project. One of the biggest challenges we have in the project is that AHEAD is really about hardware, which means we have to manufacture things after having designed them, of course, then test. And as long as things go along the plan, everything is fine. But once you have a risk that is materializing, then you have to start iterating and restart again from the beginning. Then this takes a lot of time and efforts. So that's the challenge, to iterate, but still fulfill your objectives at the end of the project. So AHEAD is really about simplifying the architecture of an element. What you have to understand is that a system that is composed of several parts that are to be assembled all together is a complex system. In AHEAD, what we try to do is to merge these functions in a single part that is manufactured according to a sequence of processes, so that when you get this part, nothing has to be assembled anymore. And the idea of doing that is that it makes it possible then to miniaturize and to also shape the object really for your need, so that you can integrate it at locations that were not possible before. And this makes a huge difference for applications where mass, volume, shape are critical. That's the idea. The main application targeted in AHEAD are refrigeration systems for industrial but also domestic applications. There we are talking about a new generation of refrigeration systems based on CO2. And in that case, the pipe segment we are developing in the project has the potential to increase the efficiency of those systems, which would enable energy savings. I have a bachelor degree in microtechnology. Based on this, I joined CSEM, where I started as an R&D engineer and then moved to a position of a project manager, then senior project manager. That's where I am now, as a coordinator of AHEAD project.